Today I'm going to be showing you how to install KODI 22 on an Android device. I'm using the Formula as the Formula box. You can use any device, Android, Google, FIRESTICK, and any device at all. Okay. The first thing is we need to go to downloader. You should have downloader installed. I already have a video on that, how to install downloader. If not, I'll make a video. Click in the search box, type in KODI space TV and then enter. Click OK, go. Now we're looking for KODI TV download page. So scroll down. There we go. Download KODI. Download KODI TV. KODI TV. We're at the KODI website. We're going to be looking for, click on Android. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're looking for, it's called pre-release. At the top here, it says pre-release. Click on pre-release. Now scroll down a little bit. Look for bit32. Where it says bit32, click on bit32. It should be installing. It should be downloaded. Give it a few seconds or so. Click install. Click install again. Click done. Okay. Go to your home screen. Go back home. Go to all your apps. This is the app section on the Formula. Scroll all the way to the end. All the way to your right. There you go. You see KODI. It's KODI. You see KODI installed. Give it a second or so. It's going to load. And that's it. There you go. KODI 22 installed on your Android device. This is the main screen. And in here, you're going to have to put in a build or an add-on. So I don't, that'll be in the next video. Okay. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you like this video, share the video with friends and family. Also, use the VPN. Anytime you're installing anything on streaming or anything like that, use a VPN for your safety and safe and secure. Okay. Thank you very much. See you next time.